What's up, guys? We're back at R&D Garage. Hazem's here. There we go. There's the rave. Just started. We are going to be working on my new Z today. That's a jack. Don't trip over it. My new Z. Been testing out the wheels and stuff. We're gonna be welding the diff. It's gonna be amazing. Already started. Drain the oil first. Very important so it doesn't catch on fire. Second, like the title says, an LSD, limited slip differential. I personally did not even know you could weld the limited slip. Grafton, my friend, told me yes, he's done it. It works. Tito with the other black car, he has it in his car. It's been working fine. I think Steven has it in his FRS as well, I think, or his S14, one of the two. And I didn't even know that. So it's supposedly a little different and harder than an open, so most people don't even go into doing it, but I'm gonna attempt it today and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Now, my welds aren't the best, I'm still learning, but even if my welds don't hold, it doesn't matter. This is how you weld a limited slip differential. If you know how to weld, then they won't break. But I will show you the points that I've been taught and let's see how it goes. First things first, remove the back cover. There we go. Nice. Gotta clean all of that. Step 2, take your diff for a walk. Come on, little buddy. We're gonna go get clean. Oh my God, don't hit Matt's car. Whoa, hey, hello. What are you trying to do? Engine degreaser, brake parts cleaner, both work. Woo! Everything. For all of you that want to just see where you're welding, it's basically in this hole. There's a spider gear down there and a spider gear to the left. You're gonna weld that together on all 4 corners, and then you're gonna do that on all of these holes. Right? And then you're also going to weld right here on the side. If you can see, this is one spider gear and this one right here is the other spider gear that's on this wall right here. So you're going to weld these two together and then go again, and you're going to weld those two together, and you're going to go over here and you're going to weld those two together. Right there you can see it very well. Hazem, will you help me show them how this diff works? Sure. Just grab the other side, yep, and then you're gonna go rotate towards me, I'll rotate forward. So when you go like that, that's a limited slip. It's very hard. Oh, but you can see, do it again. Ready, hold on. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh God, go, go, go. You can see the gears moving in opposite direction. We're gonna prevent that. We're gonna weld the gears in there and the gears to the side to the gears on top and the bottom, which make it all one piece, so it'll rotate all like this, and then it's welded. This is in no way, shape, or form ready to weld. That is very dirty. We still need to clean a lot, probably like 10 times. So this is gonna take a while. I want to stress how much you actually have to clean. All of this has to be clean. No oil, because it's flammable. It will catch on fire. Not that, you know, there's gonna be too much issues with that, but just we gotta heat it up so that it penetrates well. So we're gonna put a torch on it next, so make sure it's clean well. No oil. I'm using brake parts cleaner. I don't know if like I just said a little bit ago, engine degreaser, brake parts cleaner, both. Degrease it first and use brake parts cleaner. It breaks it down better. After cleaning, make sure you air dry everything. Brought the welder over, got it right there, got it all ready, dry. Make sure you have some good lighting to be able to get into all the crevices. Next, we're gonna torch it up. We gotta heat it up as much as possible because our welder is not the strongest. So to get better penetration, you gotta heat it up real good. You're gonna wanna hit right in there where you're going to be welding. You can do them all at first or one at a time, as long as that's real hot. Then you're going to want to warm up right here too, because we're going to weld all that together too. Lost my welding jacket for now. I just went for it. Just dump it. Dump it all. Like I said, my welds ain't the prettiest, but they're welds. But it helps. I don't really know how much I gotta weld, so I'm just gonna send it, you know? Next. And here, which is gonna be really hard. You're gonna weld all the gears together in the little corners, if I can. And then you're also gonna weld the gears to the casing. So each gear to the casing so it can't rotate, okay? Now, the key here is a strip on each gear all the way around, because remember we're going through like 8 different holes. That's what makes the amount. That's what makes the strength, is like a bunch of people holding a rope rather than one big guy holding a rope. That's one gear doing one gear. Next. The key is penetration. Penetration means heat. This is very thick stuff. It's a little welded, so keep it hot. Keep going. I just wanted to show you guys this one. Feel like I'm getting better, okay? I'm getting better little by little. Not that it's hard or anything. Make sure you clean both surfaces. And then I'm gonna be using this gray permatex gasket maker. This is a 1-minute gasket maker. The sooner the better, right? And just apply it all evenly, and don't bolt it all the way down. Just like kind of place the bolts on there to hold it, and then about 5 minutes pass. Probably, well, this one's a minute, so a minute past, then tighten it down. So you let this stuff kind of do its work a little bit. Okay, it's on there, all the bolts are in. We still got to tighten them down in a second, and then that's it. We got to put fluid in it, which we're gonna go get and put it back in the car. Well, diff is in. Just put the bolts back in. The one back here. Eventually, I want to get the Bell Engineering diff brace that goes from these 2 bolts to here. Definitely a must-have. And next we can do the dual caliper brackets and the axles. Taking out the spring bucket because we don't need it anymore now that we're gonna do true coilover. And Matt was nice enough to donate an arm to replace it, a tow arm. So pretty excited about that. Also, if you take out that spring bucket, you can get to the bearing way easier. To all the 4 bolts back here. So I got one left right here, and it should pop out so we can do the dual caliper. Matt suggested I run the Pro Series Fabrication dual caliper brackets because It's one of the best on the market. It comes with all the hardware you'll ever need, and they're very well made. Billet. That's amazing. I'm so excited. So it's perfect. Just bolt on and get to having fun. Pretty cool. Woo! Wait. There we go. I had it wrong. There we go. What are you doing?
I'm uploading video number 2.
Oh shoot! Nuh-uh. Right now?
It's first going tomorrow.
Oh, fire edit. Anyways, I needed Matt over here with his FaceTime. Oh, it's blurry. Hold on. Focus. I don't think it's gonna focus, man. You're just gonna be a blur for the rest of your life.
I know, right?
Oh wait, I got you. It focused. This is like amazing. I love this camera. Anyways, I needed Matt to help me because these dual caliper setup is not so easy. I got this one on, but as you can see, you need to put a spacer on the caliper right there, and that's where the other caliper is going to go on. But it comes with a lot of bolts, and you need to understand which one's which. The fatter spacer is for Brembo brakes, according to Matt, and the little spacer is for normal brakes, which is what I have and will have because I can't afford all that. Plus, I don't need Brembo, right?
No, you'll be too slow to really need it.
I'm hurt. Goodbye.
Bye.
I think this is going to be it for this video. There's just too much stuff going on, and we're pretty tired. But we got the diff welded. Now you know you can weld an LSD. Thanks to Hazem for being here and helping. You should go to his Instagram and follow him. Got the dual caliper installed. It's all bolted up. I need to go get another caliper from the Z-plug, and I will make another video in the future installing the dual caliper e-brake and the lines, and I'll probably run over the caliper again just if anybody wants some more detailed instructions on that. All that's left is we got to put the new transmission in, and this car's ready to drive, no problems. The suspension is almost, where is it? It's hidden back there somewhere. It's almost done. We're missing a couple parts, and then we're gonna throw it in. That's gonna be another video as well. So thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing, and see you next time. Goodbye.